Hello YouTube, hi again, Tech Noir here. So I've got a I've got something to do. I actually got free Xbox 360 controllers. Um, this one, the A button is not working, so let's actually try and fix them. I haven't really fixed one of these myself, if I remember correctly. I may have opened a couple of them in the past just to clean them up. This is when I was working at CEX, the video game second-hand store retailer. So I think I may have opened one or other just for warranty purposes and to help fix some issues, but I don't think I actually did it myself on my own for my own controllers. So this one, this black one, and the other two that hopefully will go to those as well were gifted by some friends. So let's see if we can, well, take care of them and get them working again as good as new. I actually, where do I have those? I purchased some replacement analog sticks because the ones in this controller are very well worn. So let's get to it. Now, actually, the replacement caps actually came with a screwdriver specifically for this controller. Okay, back again. So after I did some adjusting so that I can see better what I'm doing and the camera itself, let's start just disassembling the controller. I have here a small box so that I can put all the screws in. This screw was very stuck. I don't think that this was ever disassembled. Yeah, very stuck. And due to the fact that this screwdriver is very small, it doesn't help too much. Okay, another one. There you go. Now the other ones are not as deep. They should be easier to take. And I actually can use my own tools for that. Let me get my tool set here, and it should be easier to take those. To do one like this. No, like this. Yep, seems to match the size. This should be easier because I have better grip to open the controller. Yeah, way easier. Come on. Come on. There you go. I mean, I can actually just leave them here. I don't think I'm gonna have to take a lot of screws. Another one. And the last remaining screws. Come on. Okay, all the screws have been taken, so let's take this and we just pull. I should have checked the tutorial, I think. Well, I think it just comes away. Let me grab one of my spudgers. Yeah, it's a little bit gross. Yeah, it just comes right up. Yeah. Definitely gonna need some cleaning. Jesus. Let me just double check a tutorial before I break the controller. So I actually found out you need to remove a sticker. And I'm not having much success doing it. Let's try with our cutting tool. No, I glued it back again. No, don't. No. No, I broke it. Jesus. Alright. Small issues with the camera, but let's go back into it. So I took the label off there. So let's take the screw. This one seems to be a little bit smaller and should separate. Okay, I'm gonna put the back shell to the part because we don't need it, and let's just take the rumble motors out so we can have more space to work with. The wire is so thin, I'm a little bit afraid of breaking it if I pull it by the wire. And just wiggle it. Just wiggle it a little bit and it should come up. Okay. Both motors are up. Now, the board looks alright. I think. Yeah. Could do it with a little bit of cleaning, of course. And we're definitely gonna do that. So just press this and it goes out. Is this stuck here? Yeah. I mean, I don't think I need to take those screws out because this part shouldn't be an issue. Okay. Oh no. Okay, so let's take the caps away. Let's do some work here. Some deep cleaning. Yeah, definitely some dirt and grime here. I'm using isopropyl alcohol 99.5% pure, so it shouldn't give you any problems. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, it's getting a little bit dirty. just hold it like this so I don't force the analog sticks. Let's do another pass here, because remember our issue was with the A button, so we'll definitely also go through the membrane there. Okay, should be fairly clean. Let's put it to the side and work on the membranes. Let's get rid of this. And let's now work on the membranes. Yeah. Now, since all the buttons and membranes have been cleaned, I'm going to put them to the side for a little bit. And let's now work on deep cleaning this guy. At least his parts where all the grime will accumulate. Yeah, this seems to be way better. I think the lower part may be grimier, but let's go through that as well. Oops. Oh, easy from here. Okay, these are the old ones. They're going to the trash. And let's now reassemble the controller. Insert back the analog sticks, the new ones. And a little bit of cleaning here on the triggers. Okay. Now we did it like this. Yeah. There's one little thing missing. So this goes like this. Okay, now this goes like this. This. Let me just double check. Okay. Putting back the rumble motors. This little notch here always facing you. Okay. Okay. Clicked in position. Let's now, before we put all the screws in, let's test it. So after doing a quick test, still has the same issue. The A button isn't still working, so I'm definitely going to do some investigation, some browsing on the internet to see what I can do to fix the A button issue. In any case, I have two other faulty controllers. If by any chance I need to replace something on this one, I have spare parts here. I just tested both of these. This one, the analog stick on this side keeps going forward on its own, and this one doesn't connect. So for now, I'll leave it as it is, this video. And on the next on the next video, on the next part, we'll go back into what we can do here to save this little file, because well, now that we cleaned it up, it's in very good condition, so it would be really a big shame if we can't fix the A button. So see you in the next video. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.